Hi, this is Nancy Woods here, and I am over here in Singapore. This place is called Gardens of the Bay, and that's where I am at the moment. What has really surprised me here is the sustainable cycles of these gardens. I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see what I mean. What they have done over here is that they explore how the super trees, which they call these super trees and conservatories, recycle energy, wastewater, soil and other resources, and discover how each system is contributing to the environmental sustainability. I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm trying to say, how they have conceived this idea and how they have converted this land basically into a sustainable energy resource. So basically what they are doing is, the rainwater is collected and the rainwater is then stored, and then they have two lakes, like a Dragonfly Lake and a Kingfisher Lake here. There's an irrigation water supply, reactable external shading which evaporates and leads to the clouds, and basically an irrigation water system from the lakes beneath, which then it's the use of exhausting of air, the hot water, and the strong currents, the weak currents, and the power of conservation basically. So they have converted this whole area into a sustainable resource garden. Each super tree which you see at the back has been inspired by nature to stand tall, as the beacon of clear green design, low carbon, working in balance with the cycles of nature, serving multiple purposes, including adding to the aesthetic beauty of this place and surroundings here. So when I'm standing over here, I was just drawn to this, the gardens, which they have used a lot of green materials, from recycled concretes of carpet made, from all kinds of recycled material. Even the soil which the plant has been grown on which these plants are growing, they are mixed with fly ash from the biomass boiler, like dusty powder sort of thing that is mixed with the soil. And basically, so the people can come here and they can walk around these super trees and discover how this particular area has very low carbon emissions as well. What is really interesting is that the biomass from these parks and streets, and how the biomass delivery into electric chillers and absorption chillers, and then basically how the ash to fertilize Singapore's public plantations, and the power to conserve all this electric chillers into sustainable environmental from natural sources is quite something. So I'm just going to take a walk in there, but I just thought I'll take you around this because it's highly advanced system, especially in those areas where there's very high levels of pollution. Something like this, sustainable cycles of the gardens, the green materials used, and basically just normal, real life stuff like sunlight, rain, green materials, biomass boiler, and using smart technologies, can transform the place into what we are seeing. And the lake system is constantly, giving water to these plants, so as an irrigation and the rainwater collection. So it's a highly advanced mechanism over here. And so that's where I am at the moment, and I'm just going to take a park around this place because I bought a ticket to go and visit it inside. So on that note, I'm going to say thank you very much, and I'll keep you informed. Bye.